Liu Qian's 2019 Magic Act faced backlash after a video showed an assistant switching kettles. Initially doubted, Liu's response didn't deny it, sparking controversy. Skepticism eased only after a leaked video showed him pouring milk, calming doubts. Liu Qian amazed with his skills. The next day, a netizen posted a video showing his assistant switching the kettle he held. The audience didn't believe it, but after Liu Qian's social media clarification, he didn't deny the switch. The audience questioned the authenticity of the live setup. All his magic acts were seen as manipulated. A leaked video showed him pouring milk and tomato juice, calming the controversy. The claim about the kettle stirred up a huge controversy. Soon after, the audience began to question whether the live audience was just a setup by the production team. Because of the edited video, all the magic acts Liu Qian performed were labeled as manipulated, and no matter how much he explained, no one believed him. It wasn't until a video of him performing at a dinner table was leaked that people started to quiet down, where he poured out milk from the kettle.
Then he can pour out tomato juice.
If you want to drink milk, just pour some milk.
Well, if you want to drink tomato juice, just pour a little tomato juice.
What kind of soda do you want to drink?
Is this mango soda? Soda's pretty tricky too. Wow, soda.
Oh, and his next move made the netizens at the dinner table stunned. My grandfather performs this magic trick of yours every year. I just want to know how you perform this magic. It wasn't until one day that I accidentally caught a glimpse inside the bottle and discovered that it actually had a mechanism with compartments where all the drinks were hidden. At that moment, I felt so disappointed. So, ever since I became a magician, I told myself that I would never let my audience down.
Wow. After that, many serious-minded netizens tried to verify whether there were any edits in this magic trick, and they painstakingly broke down the 3.5-minute video into 4,402 frames. But in the end, the result showed that the entire video was actually one continuous shot. According to Liu Qian, this magic trick was supposed to be part of the Spring Festival Gala performance, but it was ultimately cut by the directing team. Why didn't they use you for the Spring Festival Gala? Later, the trick you did in that video involved using a glass bottle.
They say you can't perform in front of an audience because anything can happen. We studied it for a long time, but it was never used. Our team went a bit crazy. Doubts about the illusion Fox and Stooges can't be settled because magic isn't real, it's fake. Many tricks that seem skillful have simple principles. Magic isn't suited for academic debunking. A trick online shows a magician pulling a wine bottle from a flat paper bag. The wine is hidden in this...
So magic isn't really suited for academic debunking. For example, there's a magic trick that was posted online where a magician pulls a bottle of red wine out of a flattened paper bag. What seems magical is actually just the wine being pulled out from a hidden spot in the magician's clothing through a gap. The same logic applies to the kettle switching controversy with Liu Qian. The bird's eye view from the hidden camera could spot the flaws, but the live audience, due to Liu Qian's verbal cues and their blind spots, couldn't see any mistakes at all. In fact, Liu Qian's skills are such that he doesn't need to prove himself to the outside world. Since he started his career, he has won countless top magic awards in Asia. In 2011, he performed the Bagley effect, which had gone unsolved for